Hello student, now you know formula for inverse Laplace transformation. We are going to complete now this inverse Laplace transformation. Okay. Now particularly we are taking problems on partial fraction. Partial fraction method. Now you know actually this partial fraction method in 12 for finding integration. Same method is there, partial fraction. Okay. Now suppose you want to find, before partial fraction I am going to solve one problem with adjustment, then I will solve by partial fraction. Now find inverse of 2 into s plus 1 upon s square. Try to factorize denominator. Okay, you have to find L inverse, means bring this problem in terms of such a function that we know the inverse of that function, means try to convert this function in terms of a simple function whose inverse Laplace transformation we know. That is a means actually that we have to do in this inverse, finding inverse of Laplace transform, and you know inverse of 7 or 8 transformation. Okay, now in this particular algebraic function, this is algebraic function, and in denominator there is a trinomial. Now try to factorize this, but you can observe there are no factor of 10 such that addition is 2s and multiplication is 10. 5 2s are 10, the only two factors are there, and plus 2 will never come here. That's why we are going to adjust this. Now what I am doing, 2s plus 1 and plus 9, split this 10 as a 1 plus 9. Okay, why? Because it is a complete square, that is a 2 into s plus 1, and you can observe it is a square of s plus 1. Okay, it is a square of s plus 1. S square plus 2s plus 1, that is a s square plus 2s plus 1, and 9 is there, that is a 3 square. Now see if you can observe it is a square of s plus 1 plus 9 means plus 3 square, means s plus 1 is here, s plus 1 is here. now तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल की हा s अपॉन s स्क्वेअर प्लस 3 स्क्वेअर आहे, आणि s च्या ऐवजी काय आहे, s प्लस 1 आहे, म्हणून आपण इथे s प्लस 1 चा स्क्वेअर केला. नाउ टेक आउटसाइड दिस 2 as 2 outside this inverse, and we can take by linear property, that is s plus 1 square plus 3 square, means s square plus 3 square. If see here, if s upon s square plus 3 square are there, definitely its inverse transformation is what, s upon means what, cos, simple or hyperbolic, plus is there, simple hyperbolic, cos 80, a means what, 3, cos 3t is there. But instead of there, s plus 1 is there, means instead of s there is s plus 1, that means e raised to minus t will be there, means it is a 2 into e raised to minus t, and I am converting it as a s upon s square plus 3 square, because replace here s plus 1, s is replaced here by s plus 1. That's why by first shift theorem here must be e raised to minus t, and it is a s upon s square plus 3 square. For understanding only I am writing. If otherwise, if you know, you can write directly, and therefore it is a 2 into e raised to minus t, and this is s means cos what, cos of 80 means 80, s upon s square plus a square. Only 5 or 6 formulas are there, only on that formulas you can solve any problem of inverse or simple Laplace transformation. Very simple topic is there. Actually if there were s upon s square plus 3 square, cos 3t were there, but s is replaced by s plus 1, that means by shift theorem e raised to 80 f of t, that is s of s minus a. If it is a s minus a, means s is replaced by s minus a. Here is s plus 1, means e raised to minus 80, a means 1. Okay, very simple problem. Now actually when partial fractions method is used, partial fraction means you have to convert in terms of addition, means factors are converted in terms of addition, and when only it is possible, number one in denominator factors are there, factors are there, इन डिनोमिनेटर फॅक्टर्स अगर डिनोमिनेटर में है, डिनोमिनेटर मध्ये फॅक्टर्स असतील तर, अँड डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर मस्ट बी लेस दॅन डिग्री ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. These two important rules are there. If you want to do partial fraction of any algebraic function, if you want to convert the given expression in terms of partial fraction, then there are two most important condition. Degree of numerator, degree कळत आहे ना, वरती डिग्री न्यूमरेटरची डिग्री डिनॉमिनेटर पेक्षा कमी असायला पाहिजे. आणि जर डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये फॅक्टर्स पडत असतील तर पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन मेथड वापरतोय. तुम्ही बऱ्याच वेळा ह्याच्यामध्ये 12th मध्ये इंटिग्रेशन मध्ये यूज केलेली आहे. नाव टेक वन एक्झाम्पल. फाइंड दिस एल इनवर्स ऑफ 3s plus 1 अपॉन s minus 4s plus 3. फॅक्टर पाडून दिलेले आहेत बघा. लिनियर फॅक्टर्स आर देअर. लिनियर फॅक्टर. ओके. नाव यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन. फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्व टू कंडिशन्स आर सॅटिस्फाइड. Degree of numerator is s power 1 first degree polynomial, and in denominator s minus 4 into s plus 3 means s square is there. When degree of denominator is 2, degree of numerator is 1, degree of numerator is less, and there are factors in denominator. That's why we can solve it by partial fraction. Partial fraction चा meaning काय? मल्टिप्लिकेशन चं कन्वर्शन आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये करू शकतो. कशामध्ये? ऍडिशन मध्ये. कसं करतात बघा. विसरले असाल तरी करून दाखव. Without changing value means we have to express this function in terms of partial fraction. How many factors are there? 2. कसे आहेत? लिनियर आहेत म्हणजे किती फॅक्टर्स किती फ्रॅक्शन्स येणार? 2 फ्रॅक्शन्स येणार. लिनियर फॅक्टर्स असतील तर इथं 2 फ्रॅक्शन्स येणार. शब्दाकडे लक्ष द्या माझं. if there are 2 factors, we can convert into 2 fractions. Both are non-repeated. Linear factors non-repeated. रिपीट होत नाही ते. non-repeated म्हणजे एक फ्रॅक्शन होईल a upon s minus 4 आणि दुसरा होईल b upon s plus 3. Means we have to convert this function in terms of this means addition. मल्टिप्लिकेशनचं कन्वर्शन ऍडिशन मध्ये करणे म्हणजे पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन. थोडक्यात ऍडिशन मध्ये केलं तरी प्रॉब्लेम सोपं होईल. s मायनस ए s प्लस 3 मध्ये होईल आणि असं करता येईल है ना, कारण 2 लिनियर फॅक्टर्स आहे. लिनियर म्हणजे काय? s चा पॉवर 1 आहे, इथं पण s चा पॉवर 1 आहे. डिग्री न्यूमरेटरची कमी आहे. थोडक्यात ह्या फंक्शनला असं आपण कन्वर्ट करणार. याला काय म्हणतात? पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन म्हणतात आणि हे लिनियर आहे. बघा याचा अर्थ काय होतो? यू हॅव टू फाइंड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ a and b only. Then this inverse Laplace transformation is very simple because we can find inverse of these two term definitely. Now for that you have to find value of a. Now left hand side is as it is s plus 3. Okay. Now this is a into s plus 3 plus b into s minus 4. b into s minus 4 whole upon s minus 4 into s plus 3. Okay. Now denominators are same. Means 3s plus 1 equal to a into s plus 3 plus b into s minus 4. ओके. इथपर्यंत काय डाऊट नसावा कारण a into s plus 3 b into s minus 4 s minus 3 both are equal. Actually what is our aim? To find a and b. a आणि b जर फाइंड केले तर we can find inverse definitely because a and b if you know a and b value of this is this much. For that only you have to find a and b. Now for that method is what? Substitute denominator of first as a 0. s minus 4 is 0 means s equal to 4. Observe here, this is the equation. Put s minus 4, you will get value of a. Put s minus 4 as a 0, you will get value of a. Put s plus 3 as a 0, you will get value of b. Okay. Now s is 4 means 3 into 4 12. 3 into 4 इतना अलजेब्रा तो आएगा. s is 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 equal to a into 4 plus 3 7 and definitely it is 0. b into 0 because we are substituting s minus 4 as a 0 means s as a 4 means b into 0. You will get value of a. A means what? 13 by 7 equal to 1 coefficient you have got. Now if you substitute s plus 3 as a 0, put s plus 3 as a 0, means what? S is minus 3. S is minus 3 in this equation. This equation is important. A into s plus 3, b into s minus 4 equal to 3s plus 1. Okay, now s is minus 3 means 3 into minus 3, 3 into minus 3, minus 9 plus 1. S is minus 3 in this equation. This will become 0. S plus 3 is 0. This means a into 0, you will get definitely b. That is a way to finding a and b. Now put this s plus 3 is the 0, s is minus 3, means b into minus 3 minus 4 minus 7, and this is a minus 8 minus 7 into b. Therefore b is 8 by 7. B is 8 by 7. Okay, in this way you have got a and b. Means now inverse transformation is very simple. You have found this value of this function in terms of this, only this plus this, and a and b are known. ओके, मिनिंग कळला? हे बघा, दोन फॅक्टर्स होते, दोन पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये कन्वर्ट केले, फ्रॅक्शन दोन केले, ए अपॉन बी अपॉन, कारण लिनियर होते म्हणून. क्वाड्रॅटिक असतील तर वेगळी मेथड आहे. That's why we have found the value of this expression 3s plus 1 upon s minus 4 s plus 3. That is equal to a upon means what? 13 by 7 upon s minus 4. 12th मध्ये शिकलेला. b upon means 8 by 7 upon s plus 3 with the help of inverse means partial fraction. Now therefore inverse of this means partial fraction find केल्यामुळे सिंपल झालं. शेवटी बघा, लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन म्हणजे काय आहे? इंटिग्रेशनच काढतोय आपण. इनवर्स म्हणजे बघा, हे एल इनवर्स ऑफ दिस मध्ये ह्याची व्हॅल्यू ही आहे 13 by 7 upon s minus 4 प्लस 8 by 7 upon s plus 3. थोडक्यात ह्याची व्हॅल्यू आपण ह्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिली, जो सिंपल आहे. कशी लिहिली? ए आणि बी ची माहिती पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन करून लिहिली. नाउ that's why L inverse of 3s plus 1 upon s minus 4 s plus 3. Separate this 13 by 7 1 upon s minus 4, linear property. 8 by 7 constant, take outside, there is addition sign, inverse of this plus inverse of 8 by 7 outside, L inverse 1 upon s plus 3. That's why it is 13 by 7 1 upon s minus a e raised to 80 e raised to 40. 8 by 7 L inverse 1 upon s minus a means e raised to s minus a. It is actually s minus 3. That is the inverse. 1 upon s minus a e raised to 80. 1 upon s minus a e raised to 80. A means here minus 3, here is a 4. Okay. Now in this way we can solve inverse by partial fraction method. Inverse by partial fraction method. Now you have find this inverse of 2s minus 5 upon s square plus s minus 6 plus s minus 6. Now observe here, degree of numerator is 1, degree of denominator is 2. Means if there are factor, we can find inverse by partial fraction. Factors are 3 minus 6 multiplication, 3 2s are means minus is there, and plus s is there, means this is a plus, this is a minus, means factors are s plus 3 and s minus 2. Okay. Now partial fraction, because factors are there, degree is less, degree of numerator is 1, degree of denominator is 2, degree is less, therefore use again partial fraction method. This is 5 and this is s. A upon, there are two factors, therefore convert into two fractions. Okay. Now again, therefore 2s minus 5 is upon s plus 3 s minus 2. It is a 5 only. It is a 5 only. Okay. A into s minus 3, sorry, s minus 2 plus b into s plus 3 upon s plus 3 into s minus 2. Okay, therefore denominator will get cancelled and you will get 2s minus 5 equal to a into s minus 2. This equation is very important equation. From that you can find the value of a and b. This is the, now put one by one, put one factor as a 0, put s plus 3 0, s plus 3 0 means s what, minus 3, s is minus 3, 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 5, 2 into s is minus 3. Definitely you will get a, because this terms of b will 0, s plus 3 0, s plus 3 0, or s is minus 3, this is 0, a into s is minus 3 minus is minus 11 equal to minus 5a, and plus that a equal to what, 11 by 5. Method कळली? Okay. Now put s minus 2 equal to 0, s minus 2, s equal to 2. Okay, s equal to 2, 2 into 2, put in this equation. Okay, I have underlined this. 2s is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 5. Here a is 0 because s minus 2 is 0, and b into s is minus, s is 2, s is 2, 2 plus 3 5. Therefore minus 1 equal to 5b, and plus b equal to. In this way you can find inverse. Okay, therefore L inverse of this is equal to L inverse of a upon, a means what, a upon, a means what, 11 by 5 upon s plus 3 plus b upon 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Okay, upon s minus 2. Therefore it will 11 by 5 L inverse of 1 upon s plus 3 plus minus 1 by 5 into L inverse of 1 upon s minus 2, and that is 11 by 5 into e raised to minus 3t, and minus 1 by 5 into e raised to 2. Okay, yes, 1 upon s minus a means minus 3 is here. That is answer. Okay, very simple. Partial fraction method. If there are 3 factors non-repeated linear, you can take 3 partial fraction, 3 fractions. If 4 are there, you can take 4 fractions. If quadratic fraction is there, we can take bc plus a. You know this in 12th standard. Okay. Now some miscellaneous sums are there, important sum. Because we cannot find their inverse transformation by a very simple method, that's why these are the important sum like this. If there is tan inverse, cot inverse, how to find inverse? Now see, find inverse of 1 upon s. Now we cannot find directly, but we can find with the help of derivative. That's why what I am going to do is, थोडं काळजीपूर्वक बघा, कारण वेगळी मेथड वापरणार आपण, कारण अशी काही फंक्शन्स आहेत, मुद्दामून घेतोय मी, असे काही फंक्शन्स आहेत त्याचा इन्व्हर्स डायरेक्ट काढता येत नाही. त्यासाठी काय करतो मी बघा, लेट, काळजीपूर्वक बघा, थोडी वेगळी मेथड वापरतोय. त्याला काय पर्याय नाही, कारण आपल्याकडे काय फॉर्म्युले नाहीत त्याच्यासाठी. लेट इन्व्हर्स ऑफ दिस एफ ऑफ टी. फाइंड काय करायचं, इन्व्हर्स. समजा तो टी मध्ये आहे, टी मध्ये येणार इन्व्हर्स, टीचं जसं लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन एस मध्ये येणार, इन्व्हर्स एसचं फंक्शनचं टी मध्ये येणार. समजा एफ ऑफ टी आहे, याचा मिनिंग काय झाला, लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन ऑफ याचा इन्व्हर्स ऑफ दिस इज एफ ऑफ टी मीन्स लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन ऑफ एफ ऑफ टी इज टॅन इन्व्हर्स 1 by s. Okay, now use which rule, Laplace transform. Keep in mind we have to find f of t. We are converting in simple transformation. L of f of t is this. Therefore L of t into f of t काय होईल, t ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं म्हणजे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह -1/1 फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, t ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं f of t ला म्हणजे पहिला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, आणि -1/2 किती 1, t चा पॉवर 1 आहे. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कुठला, फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. कशाचा, टॅन इनव्हर्स. म्हणजे टॅन इनव्हर्सचा जरी नाही आला आपल्याला तरी त्याच्या डेरिव्हेटिव्हचा येईल. थोडक्यात त्याचा कन्सेप्ट काय, डेरिव्हेटिव्हचा काढणार आपण. डेरिव्हेटिव्हचा काढण्यासाठी टी ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं मी. टी एफ ऑफ टी म्हणजे माहिती ना रूल, टी ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं. इनवर्स एफ ऑफ टीचं इनवर्स आहे, टी इंटू एफ ऑफ टीचा काय, फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ दिस टॅन इनवर्स 1/, आणि टीचा पॉवर 1 आहे, -1/1, दॅट इज मायनस, टेक आउट साइड. टॅन इनवर्स 1/s डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इज व्हॉट, 1/1 + 1/2. ओके, tan inverse x चा derivative of tan inverse x 1/1 + x². But here is not only 1/1 + x², because it is a composite function 1/1 + 1/s² into derivative of 1/s, that is 1/s minus 1/x². Okay. Now L of t into f of t. Simple this. माइनस माइनस प्लस, काय करण्याची गरज नाही. 1/1 into 1/s². Okay. Now I am writing here because step कळल्या पाहिजे तुम्हाला. That is what s² + 1 1/s² + 1 upon s² into 1/s². Okay, this s² will get cancelled. And what you have get, or what you have got, that LTF of t is getting 1/s² + 1. इथपर्यंत बघा. अजून परत काय सांगितलं, लेट दिस इज द f of t, that means f of t's transformation is that means t into f of t's transformation. T into f of t's transformation is first derivative. I have calculated first derivative, and it is a what is that, 1/s² + 1. Okay, therefore ठीक है, L of this, L inverse L of f of t is it is derivative tan inverse of this. Okay, and therefore TF of t, I am writing here now. Again this I am writing. Laplace transformation of TF of t is 1/s² + 1. Therefore L inverse 1/s² + 1 is what, or t into f of t, right? On this side, t into f of t is what, L inverse of 1/s² + 1. आपलं काम झालं. टी एफ ऑफ टी चं लॅप्लास ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन हे आलंय, म्हणजे टी एफ ऑफ टी काय असेल, इनवर्स ऑफ दिस, आणि इनवर्स ऑफ दिस आता माहिती आहे. मग टॅन इनवर्सचा माहित नव्हता, डेरिव्हेटिव्हचा थोडक्यात काय रे, डेरिव्हेटिव्हचा माहित होता, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढला तो एवढाच आला, ह्याचं इनवर्स माहिती आहे. म्हणजे टी इंटू एफ ऑफ टीचं इनवर्स माहिती काय, 1/, म्हणजे काय, साईन खाली प्लस आहे, म्हणजे 80 म्हणजे साईन टी ओनली. आणि म्हणून आपल्याला काय काढायचं होतं, एफ ऑफ टी काढायचा होता, साईन टी अपॉन टी. That is answer. Okay, that is f of t. म्हणजेच काय काढला तुम्ही, L inverse of tan inverse 1/s. काय काढला, L inverse of tan inverse 1/s. ओके, cot inverse चा पण तसंच येईल, cot inverse चा पण तसंच येईल. परत बघा, सेम प्रॉब्लेम आहे, सेम प्रॉब्लेम इज देअर. You will get, find L inverse of cot inverse. Now cot inverse, same answer will there, because tan inverse 1/s cot inverse is. Okay, we don't know, suppose we don't know. Now I will try to write on a whole problem at a time. That means let L inverse of cot inverse s is f of t मध्ये येणार. Therefore again for method I am taking problem, same problem is here. Laplace transformation of f of t काय येणार, cot inverse s. Okay, now we cannot find inverse of cot, means Laplace transformation of cot inverse, but we can find derivative of, Laplace transformation of derivative. Therefore use this rule, t into f of t. F of t transformation is cot inverse, therefore t into f of t derivative आएगा अपने आप -1/1, because there is t power 1, and first derivative of cot inverse, that is -1, Derivative of cot inverse is minus 1 upon 1 plus s square. That is a 1 upon 1 plus s square is there. Now what you have found? Laplace transformation of t into f of t is 1 upon 1 plus s square. Therefore, t into f of t, what will t into inverse? L of this is this. काम हो गया, उल्टा कर दो. At t f of t, the L inverse 1 upon 1 plus s square. That is a t into f of t. Now this inverse is definitely you know 1 upon s square minus a square. 1 upon s square means 1 upon means sin 80 means sin t, and therefore f of t is what we want. F of t. Why? See here. Why? We want L inverse cot inverse, L inverse of cot inverses. We have taken it as a f of t. Now you are getting not f of t but t into f of t. T into f of t is sin t. From that you will get f of t. Now why we have taken this result in consideration? Because in this result, if you multiply by t, there will be derivative, and we can find the Laplace inverse of this derivative. Means t into f of t चं Laplace transformation काढायला सोपं आहे. f of t चं नाही, cot inverse नाही मिळणार, पण t into f of t चं काय होणार? त्याला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह येणार, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सोपा होणार, त्याचं इन्व्हर्स माहिती आहे. म्हणजे आपल्याला t f of t चं हे व्हॅल्यू माहिती आहे, म्हणजे f of t ची sin t upon t येणार. दॅट इज अ मेथड. ओके, I will give some examples for practice, and I will finish this topic. ओके व्हॉट्सॲप ग्रुपवरती याच्यावरती एक्झाम्पल टाकेल काही प्रॅक्टिससाठी, लगेच पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये उद्याच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये काय टाकेल तुम्हाला कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आणि मॅट्रिसेसमध्ये इन्व्हर्स कसा काढायचा वगैरे काय गरज नाही. माहिती पाहिजे असेल तर तुम्हाला दुसरा एक व्हिडिओ शेअर करेल इन्व्हर्स काढायला. हाऊ टू फाइंड इन्व्हर्स ॲडजॉइंट मेथड. आय विल शेअर वन व्हिडिओ. ओके, and I have that video. I will share one video, that is how to find inverse of matrices, and one special video for what types of matrices, because in multiple choice question will be asked on types of matrices, not lengthy problems will there, but only multiple choice. That means you have to carefully read the types of matrices. That's why I will share one video with types of matrices, one video with how to find inverse, and then complex number. That is a second unit. Okay, very simple unit is there. Now 3 or 4 days I will complete that. Bye.